welcome back to another version of our Parweld TV. Here we're back on the XTT 315DI and we're going to show you briefly how to get onto the TIG synergic, high frequency TIG, lift TIG and MMA processors. So back on the main screen, select TIG synergic, press, make sure you select either water cooled or gas cooled, depending if you have a water cooler. If not, then just select gas. 2T, 4T is your torch trigger function. Go for 2T. Select your material, stainless steel, aluminium or steel. Select the size of tungsten. Material thickness being welded. And you're ready to weld. Now back on the main welding screen, we're going to go on to high frequency TIG, known as HF TIG on your screen. So select HF TIG, gas or water for cooling, I'm going to go for gas. Type of current, I'm going to go for DC. 2T, 4T, again for your torch trigger. 2T. We're not going to have any pulse, so we're going to go no pulse. We've got our main selection there for welding, so we can make an adjustment by pressing the red button. Starts to flash green and red. Make a change. Once you're happy with the change, press again, and let's see what that looks like when we weld. So now we're going to show you how to do lift TIG. Again, back onto the main welding screen. Select lift TIG. Gas or water cooled. I'm going to go for gas. DC current. 2T on the torch trigger. We're not going to have any pulse. This is our main welding current now, so I want to make a change on there. So the red and green starts to flash. When it starts to flash, make your change. Happy with the change, press and select it to stop it flashing. Now at this point now, get the torch, gently, lightly touch it down onto your starting block or your material, press the trigger and lift. Let's see what it looks like. So now I'd like to show you what this XTT 315DI also has as an AC mix. This combines AC welding with DC current to increase welding speed and controls the arc spread. So this is how we get to AC mix. High frequency TIG, gas or water for cooling, AC current, go to 2T, no pulse. That's your main welding screen. If you're happy with the main welding current on there, that's fine. Otherwise, then now go to the advanced menu, bring that up, and underneath the AC wave, we've got mix. So that's where we want to be. So if we go down to mix, press and select that, switch that to on, press again to bring up the white italic, and then go over to duty, Then we can change the frequency of that as we want. Select it, highlight it, and then come out, go back, and you're back to your main welding screen. Let's see what that looks like. Hi, so now we're going to go and select MMA, manual metal arc. Back to the main welding screen, scroll over to MMA, manual metal arc. Press and select either DC or AC current, gives you the option. Now, DC current is a more smoother flowing arc. Very, very nice and smooth. AC is more coarse. They both have different functionalities, and you may find that with DC current, because it's going in one direction, you'll get what we call arc blow. To counteract that, you can switch over to AC, where it fluctuates through positive and negative, and that will eliminate your arc blow. So we're going to select DC. So now on this main screen, you'll be able to see a little chart indicating material thickness, amperage, and electrode size. And you can correspond with the type of electrode that you want, diameter-wise, with the amperage that you want, and also the material thickness, as a quick rough guide. And it's the same on the AC screen as well. Well, that concludes the TIG setup and the MMA setup. Thank you so much for watching.